Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Khalaf with Acupuncture Fit, and I am live today talking about 5 natural remedies for sinus infections. Yes, that's right. This whole week we've been talking about everything that has to do with nose health on our Facebook page. You can go over there and check it out, Acupuncture Fit. And if you like what you're hearing or know someone that's suffering with sinus infections, please heart, like, and share this and make a comment in the box below. Shoot me a message personally and we'll be more than happy to see how we can help you with this. So let's dive right into it. The 5 natural remedies for sinus infection, and number 1, and my favorite, is water. Adequate hydration is the key to flushing out the virus from your system. It's so important to drink at least 8 ounces of water every 2 hours if you're suffering from a sinus infection or you feel like one's coming on. So important. Chicken broth with veggies is a great and traditional way to help soothe those nasal cavities and also soothe the respiratory system. Also, chicken broth, specifically bone broth, has many wonderful minerals to help reduce inflammation in the body. Foods that are very good for sinus infections are horseradish, and anyone who's accidentally eaten too much horseradish, I know I'm guilty of it. I know you've experienced the potential and potent ability that it does to your sinuses and how it can help clear them out and kind of keep them more open. I love ginger tea and recommending that for my patients when they suffer with sinus infections, specifically with some honey and lemon. Garlic and onions are very good foods and very good vegetables to help boost the immune function in your body when suffering from a sinus infection, particularly to help reduce that inflammation. Now, number 4 is eating foods that are rich in vitamin C. Very important to help boost the immune function as well. And if you're going to be drinking orange juice, I highly recommend to dilute it to help reduce some of the sugar content. So again, foods rich in vitamin C. Number 5 is to use grapefruit seed extract. Now, grapefruit seed extract is one of my favorites here. It has potent antiviral properties, and this really this is included in many nasal sprays. This natural one called Clear that I recommend in my practice to my patients does not have the rebound effect that many other nasal sprays do. And grapefruit seed extract is actually believed to be responsible for its ability to destroy infectious invaders. These infectious invaders can really get caught up in the empty cavities in our sinuses, and I highly recommend using this. This even has an additive in here called xylitol that's naturally occurring that helps these invaders kind of just like fall off and out of your nasal passages. Now, one more thing that I do have to stress in my live video here on 5 natural remedies for sinus infections is to remember what to avoid. We want to avoid sugar and dairy products, okay? Why I really want to avoid sugar is because sugar, and I call these the 4 whites: white sugar, white dairy, white refined flour, and white salt. Sugar decreases white blood cells in the body, and white blood cells are used to help fight infection. That's why I highly recommend staying from sugar. Dairy and other milk products are very mucus forming, so if your body's already protecting itself by forming mucus for a sinus infection, you don't need to add any more to that. Also, grains, refined flour are mucus forming as well, and they can also cause inflammation in the body. Now, lastly, what you want to avoid is salt. Very important to avoid salt when having a sinus infection, because salt dehydrates our bodies. And again, back to number 1, we need the water to help flush out the viruses in our system and the infections in our system. So again, these to recap everything, these are the 5 natural remedies for sinus infections that I recommend in my practice. Number 1 is water. Number 2 is chicken broth with vegetables. Number 3, horseradish, ginger, garlic, and onions. Number 4, vitamin C rich foods. And number 5, grapefruit seed extract. I also highly recommend avoiding sugar dairy products, refined flour and grains, and salt when suffering from a sinus infection, and looking into a product with grapeseed extract, such as this, the one that we offer in my practice called Clear. Now, I have a wonderful and wealth of information on my Facebook page, Acupuncture Fit. We've got a link to a free ebook that I wrote on knowing your body type with elements. You can go over there and download it on our Facebook page, on our website, acupuncturefit.com. I really hope that you've enjoyed what you've heard and learned a few things. And if you know somebody that's suffering from sinus infections or are prone to sinus infections, please share this with them. Write us a comment in the box below, heart, like it. My name is Dr. Anis with Acupuncture Fit. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope that you have a wonderful, happy, and healthy rest of your week. Take care. Bye now.